the fuck did we just see? Regrettable first half. That first half was shit and a stick, fam. That fucking first half was shit and a goddamn stick. Anthony, why the fuck are you playing football, fam? You need to be an accountant or a pimp. Yeah, you're like, deal with women, go a pimp party. What the hell? Why are you playing football? Why? You're supposed to hold the flank, go down and beat my. What were you doing today? And Rashford, the same. What are you doing? What? First off, the entire team was shit in the first half. Every single one of them, from top to bottom, complete garbage. Every single one of them. Every single one of them. Copenhagen held on to the ball more than we in the first half part. Couldn't hold on to the ball, couldn't make 2-3 passes within the lines. What were you doing in the first half, Ten Hag? What kind of team was that? You put McTominay in the game, go up front,